Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 3 of our English Junction book, that is A Hero. Okay, so it is written by R.K. Narayan. This story is about a boy who feared many things but one day did a very courageous act. Let's find out what was it and how it happened. Okay, so let's start our chapter. Father looked over the newspaper he was reading and said, "Swami, listen to this." He read aloud an article about a village boy who had come face to face with a tiger. The article went on to describe the fight the boy had with the tiger and his flight up a tree where he stayed for half a day till he was rescued. After reading it through, Father asked Swaminathan, "What do you say to that?" "I think he must have been a very strong, grown-up person, not a boy. How can a boy fight a tiger?" said Swami. So this story is about a boy, Swaminathan. Okay, so one day his father was reading newspaper, so he found out that a news about a tiger and a boy who fought the tiger. Okay, so he just tell his son that listen to this news. There's a village boy who just fight face to face to the tiger, and there was a whole article about it in the newspaper. पूरा एक article उसके उनकी fight के बारे में. So here flight meaning the act of running away or escaping from a dangerous situation. So how he escape onto the tree to save himself from the tiger. Okay, and for half a day he was just on the tree because so that someone just come and rescue him. Okay, so after Swami heard that, so he just like he must not be a boy because a boy cannot fight a tiger. He must be some grown up person to fight a tiger. Father laughed and said, "Courage is everything. A man may have the strength of an elephant and yet to be a coward, whereas another might have the strength of a straw. But if he has courage, he can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important." Swami did not agree. "How can it be, Father? Suppose I have all the courage. What can I do if a tiger should attack me? A tiger is stronger than a man." As Swami said that he must be a grown-up and all, so father just laughed on his talks. He just told him that courage is everything. Means if a person has courage, he can do anything, whether he was strong or not. But if he had courage, he can do anything in life. Like he give an example, like if a person has the strength of an elephant, मतलब elephant जितना strong हो, but he was a coward. Coward means a person who is not brave, but he was coward, then he cannot do anything. But if a person has a strength of a straw, like a straw, अगर वो weak भी है, but he has courage, he can do anything. Courage is everything one person should have. Okay, so Swami was not agree with him, his father, that how can, if he has the courage, if Swami has he just gave an example that if Swami has the courage, but if a tiger came in front of him and if he cannot fight the tiger because of the strength, then how can it be helpful? Let alone strength, can you prove you have courage? Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. You must sleep alone in future. It is disgraceful sleeping beside grandmother or mother like a baby. You are almost 10. Swaminathan had always slept beside his grandmother. He hoped at first that his father was only joking, but he soon realized that the matter had gone beyond his control. Here, let alone means another way of saying forgot about or something. Okay, disgraceful means shameful. The matter had gone beyond his control means Swami could not make his father change his mind. When Swami told his views to his father was like that told him that let us forget about the strength. हम अभी strength के बारे में भूल जाते हैं. Let us focus on the courage. Do you have the courage कि you are courageous or not? Now you will sleep alone in the office room. They have an office room in their house. So he told him that you will now sleep in the office room alone without anybody, because prior he slept with the grandmother or mother. So that this is not this is shameful that you sleep with your grandmother or mother. You are now 10-year-old, so you have to sleep alone now. Swaminathan was always slept with the grandmother only till now. Okay, and at the first he thought that his father was only joking. He was not serious about that sleeping thing, but later he realized that now things are not in his hands. Now he has to sleep in the office room only. Swaminathan rose silently and tiptoed away to his bed. Granny was sitting up in her bed and remarked, "Are you feeling sleepy already? Don't you want a story?" Swaminathan did not answer. He threw himself on his bed and pulled the blanket over his face. He turned around, curled, and snored under the blanket till he felt his blanket being pulled away. As Swami was aware that his father will let him sleep in the office only, so make him sleep in the office only. So he just go to the bed early. He silently just very silently go into the bed and just slept there. His granny here means grandmother, asked him, "Are you sleepy already? क्या तुम्हें अभी से नींद आने लगी? You don't want a story?" Because daily when they went to the sleep, grandmother told him a story. So he was like, so she asked that, "You don't want a story today?" Swaminathan didn't answer. Swami didn't answer to her and just pull the blanket over his face and just sleep. He snored like so that everyone thought that he is asleep. But then suddenly his blanket was pulled away by someone.